Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me for another Technology Tip Thursday. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Mokkup.ai to create wireframes very fast, very quickly. So let's go ahead and hop into it. All right, so yesterday I was looking at the comments from the Gyneq video that I did with Patrick and Adam. Shout out to y'all for letting me be on your platform. But I was just looking at the comments where I did using Figma to wireframe your Power BI reports. And one thing I noticed is the comments were really cool, but one guy mentioned that Figma is good for wireframing, but I think Mokkup is the best for dashboard wireframing. So when I saw this, I was like, whoa, let me go ahead and see what this tool is. I think this is really amazing. Let me check it out. So I went to Mokkup.ai and I had no clue what this website was. But one thing that it mentions like create stunning dashboard mockups in minutes. So for me, very productive, try and be more efficient. Like Patrick says, I'm not lazy, I'm just efficient. So I want to check this website out. As you can see, it makes, like it says, it makes visually stunning wireframes really quick. So one thing that I noticed is that it's easy as 1, 2, 3. A lot of key features. There's pre-built templates, live demo, customizable screens there, so on and so forth, right? A lot of different information in here. And then the biggest piece, like all these tools, is how much does it cost? So one thing I noticed is that there's a standard license that's free. So you get 8 template categories, you get 3 customizable projects, 3 screens, projects, and then it's $10 a month. Right now, I'm currently using the free version. I more than likely will pay for this pro version. Like again, I just started playing around with this thing, but it already made my life a lot easier so far. So if we actually go into it and see what this tool is, you will log in. You can go ahead and use the standard single sign-on. If you're using a Gmail account, you can use that, any other signups as well, but you have the ability to log in. So this is what the actual platform looks like. And what you do is create a demo version of your products. You have the ability to drag and drop different elements. So this is where the speed of this comes in. So when you're using a tool like Balsamiq, Figma, PowerPoint, whatever you use in your wireframes, sometimes it can be kind of copy and paste or redundant a little bit. Where I think this tool really is great is the ability to drag and drop items on here really fast. So what this looks like, let's say I want to pull in a column chart just right quick. You just click on column chart. And then now you see that you have your basic column, but then you have different templates available on here as well. So if you have a drop down with a column, you have a KPI column where you have a KPI in the metric itself. It's already built in. If you have other items, so say I want to do a combo chart where I have data set 1, data set 2 with a drop down, right? All these templates are already built out. So it's already much faster to develop and wireframe out here. So I'm going to go with this one where I have my KPI in the column itself. You hit apply style, and then automatically now you have your column chart on here, which is absolutely incredible. It's amazing. And then you just do your standard sizing and formatting. You click on it, you change your x-axis. If you actually want to change your data set, you can do that as well. So if you actually want to put some values in here and the date, you can have the ability to do that. If you want to switch the chart, you could change it quickly from You could change it from a column chart to a line chart, bar chart really quick. So you have the ability to do that. The options are really like kind of endless. I think it's really awesome. Another thing is the KPIs. So if you select the KPIs, as you can see by default, there are so many different types of KPIs that are available. So you have your title goes here, this goes here, like just the different types. And by a click of a button, you can easily select it and add it to your wireframe. So now you do that, you can copy and paste, you can bring that in, copy and paste, so on and so forth. So, I mean, just off the bat, like this would have taken me at least 10-15 minutes just for these 2 type of visuals and different tools. But by doing this in Mokkup, it's really fast. You change the color on here, you do formatting, you do all types of things. So I think it's really awesome and a really great tool to start out with. Again, I'm just not playing around with it, but I can see the possibilities where I'm going to save a lot of time using this tool. One thing I did notice is that some of the paid features on here, if you go to like element theme, they do have different color themes. So they have your default Tableau Classic, and Power BI. But then you also see that it has a crown. So that means this is a paid feature. So if you did want to change the theme to say Tableau, they will ask you to update and pay for your billing. So $100 a year, $10 a month. I think it's worth $100 right now just again, just off the sheer speed, I think it's absolutely fantastic and amazing. But I'm going to play around with this. I'm going to keep messing around with this, but I can already see the value in this really, really fast. So have you used Mokkup AI before? Do you plan on using it? If you're using it, please hit me up in the comments. Let me know how you are using it. I can't wait to connect with people. If there's a Mokkup community, please hit me up in the comments. I would love to see what y'all are doing. And this is another Technology Tip Thursday. Y'all have a great day.